Welcome to Technia TV. I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, Faculty of Management Sciences, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to present a lecture on inflation. Inflation is a phenomena signalizing imbalance of economy. It is a rise in the general price level as measured against some baseline of purchasing power. Inflation measures how much more expensive a set of goods and services has become over a certain period of time, usually a year. In other words, it measures the purchasing power of an individual. That is, more the prices, the lesser will be the purchasing power of money in hand with the consumer, so that he can purchase lesser and lesser amount of the commodities that he can previously purchase from that particular amount of income. How to measure inflation? It can be measured with the help of price index level. It expresses the level of prices of goods traded in economy at the same time. Price index is calculated for particular market basket for examined periods. The change of price index within the time period is the rate of inflation. It can be of following types: consumer price index or CPI, producer price index, wholesale price index, and commodity price index. The first one is consumer price index or CPI. It is the most often used index. It measures the price of a selection of goods purchased by a typical consumer. It is a statistical time series measure of a weighted average of prices of a specified set of goods and services purchased by consumers. It is a price index that tracks the prices of a specified basket of consumer goods and services, providing a measure of inflation. How to measure CPI? First, selection of the base year. The base year should be a normal year that should not have any natural calamity or any undue circumstances that leads to undue changes in the prices. And the CPI of the base year is taken as 100. That is, it is used to be 100 base on which the other years can be measured. Second is selection of CPI basket weightage to measure the importance of one item in the basket. That is, the more the weightage of the product implies that it is most important for the consumer. And the lesser the weightage, it means it is lesser in the importance level of the consumer basket. Then third point is collection of data on prices. That is, the various data available on a particular time period is measured or is taken as a data that can be used for further calculations. Then fourth point is calculation of CPI. The weighted CPI can be calculated as sum of all weighted price index upon total weight. The rate of inflation is determined as R equals to CPI of the time period plus 1 minus CPI of the time period upon CPI of the particular time period into 100%. I hope that you understand inflation. For watching more videos like this, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.